Welcome, you guys. This is Candyman Fishing, and today, guys, we got the finally July mystery tackle box, man. Finally got it, guys. It is the 24th, and I am just receiving my box yesterday. It said it was supposed to deliver on the 17th, but some things happened, but we finally got it yesterday. So far as getting it on the 21st, 21st, I don't know what to call. I don't know if it's the coronavirus or what that took so long to get it, but guys, we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up and get the video done. We got the tips and tricks. We got the tips and tricks right there, and then we got what's inside. We can go ahead and read that bad boy off right there. We got the Google Squad 50 Frog. I'm very excited about that for $8.99. We got the Headbanging Rocker Heads for $7.99. I was excited about that as well. We got the Bill Lewis MR6 for $7.99. Then we got the 10,000 Fish Yodo Orange for $5.29. I was excited about that. Then we got the Lifted Jigs SLM Swim Jig for $4.99. Then we got the Lake Fork Tackle Magic Fire for $3.79. Then we got the Gamblers Why Not for $2.99. So let's go ahead and check out those bad boys. First up, we got the old Google Squad 50 Frog Eat Me on there. This bad boy, the color is Bullfrog, 2.5 inches. It weighs 5 1/8 of an ounce. And let's go ahead and look at this. Right off the bat, you can tell it's a hollow body design. Hollow body. But it is also designed to keep water out, you guys. Keep the water out. But also, not just keep the water out, it also helps keep the frog on a balance whenever you're retrieving it. And supposedly these legs give off lively action. I'm probably gonna trim them down just a tad bit, just a tad bit. I may try it out just like this first and see what I can get. I'm not really a big frog person, but Google Squad makes the best bait, so they gotta help me get my first Google Squad frog fish. My first frog fish. Next, we got the Headbanging Rocker Head. I was excited about these guys, so that's it right there. Let me take one out. It's a 2-pack, 3/8 of an ounce, and it says the Headbanging Rocker Head takes your creature bait fishing to the next level, guys. And that's it right there. And also, which is a plus, is that you're able to change this hook out. So that's a good thing, But I don't know why you would change the hook out. Maybe you got rusted. I don't know. Different bait. I don't know. But anyways, I was excited about this one. Just imagine hooking your creature bait through that. You got the perfect example. I'm gonna show you guys at the end when I get to the bait. I want to show you guys what. We got the perfect bait. We're gonna go to the next. We got the Bill Lewis MR6, man, and that's this little flat-sided crankbait. It is considered threadfin shad. It weighs 1/2 ounce. It is 2 1/4 inches, and it dives 6 feet, man. But what I was saying, this long bill and flat-sided crankbait like that is perfect, because what it does is give off those tight wiggle action, and that's perfect. Sometimes, my preference, because too much tight of a wiggle will cause you, whenever you're retrieving, it'll eventually come up on out to the top of water or come up. Some people may like that because it gives off its own action. You don't have to jerk your rod because it does it for you. So sometimes that's a plus, and sometimes it's a minus. In my preference, sometimes it's a plus and sometimes it's a minus, depending on the bait. Next, we got the 10,000 Fish Yodo Worm, and guys, I was excited. I heard nothing but great things about this Yodo worm, so I can't wait to try it out. The color is considered sungill. It's 4 3/4 of an inch long, and it's just a very versatile bait because it can be rigged multiple ways. For one, drop shot, Texas rig, trailer for a jig, trailer for a chatterbait, trailer for a spinner bait, whatever. Kind of has that flat body, so it's weird. But these rivets right here are designed for something. It says the body is molded and ribbed with edges and tape your tail for a mouth-watering action and a realistic texture. It does feel weird, but it has a stink smell, guys. This thing is I don't have bad things. Next, we got the lifted base SLM swim jig, guys. And that's this little two-tone jig right here. And it is a 3/0 micro hook. It says molded in Mad Eye, 42 strain premium skirt, and it's chip resistance like any other jig company that will put on there. But is it really chip resistant paint? I don't know. I don't have a big confidence in jigs, but anyways, the color on this is what? Red. The color on this is red gill, and it is a 1/4 ounce jig, man. I'm not really sure. This would be just your standard jig or your football head jig. Someone let me in the comments section below and let me know if this is your standard jig, throwing casting jig, football head jig, whatever jig it is. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Next, also, which is perfect, the SLM. If you guys don't know what it is, it's small. Perfect for whenever you have to downsize. Right now, summertime, fish gonna be acting crazy right now. Sometimes they bite, sometimes they don't. I say the worm action is really popping off. I wouldn't stick to your jigs. Also, this jig comes with a screw lock, and if you look, guys, I don't know if you guys can see that perfect, but see how the screw on kind of looks. It's like it's made into the jig. Most companies just put a wire around that, so I found that's pretty cool. They may have just painted it just to be that color. I don't know, but I think that's cool. But screw on looks all perfect because it doesn't tear your plastics, man. Next, we got the lifted fork tackle magic fry, guys, and that's these guys right here. The color is green pumpkin. A 4-inch worm, man, and it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack. Says lures with a attitude. We gonna see. And that's it right there. Perfect. Look at that wacky rig all day long. Maybe a Texas rig if you want. Drop shot if you want. But me, right on wacky rig, bro. Wacky rig. All right, and it also says these little rivets are designed to allow water to disperse in and out against these appendages, creating the most slightest movement. So it's very good, but like I said, wacky rig all day, man. Next, we got the Gambler's Why Not? And this name is very funny because it's like Gambler Why Not? But that's these guys right here. You got green pumpkin as a color once again. Guess my second is just gonna feed us with natural colors of green pumpkin. And it is a 4-pack, so it is our sample pack of this month. But with this bait, it's very similar between two baits. Me personally, that's why it has that slim and small presentation of a tube right here, and then it has on the bottom of a crawl. Not your typical crawl, but everybody knows this would be a crawl. But like I said, this is perfect for feeding it through the vegetation, especially thick vegetation. With it being so slim, you can slide it right on through there, and I'll catch on to anything. Also, and with this bottom of the crawl part, you still can have a natural look. And we're pulling off with the green pumpkin. You got more natural with the crawl and the green pumpkin. And there you go, you got you a nice bass. This is also a 4 3/4 of an ounce inch worm. I think I said that right. I'm trying to be smart. But yeah, man, that's it for this month. We didn't get no sticker. We got a Yoda worm, the different ways to rig it. I'll go through with you guys real quick. We got the trailer. We got a trailer from a spinnerbait, bladed jig, swim jig, Texas rig, shaky head, drop shot, perfect, man. And then on the back, you got where the fish at. And we got our filthy frog. We got like 2 of these. So we got a total of 3 of them right here. All filthy frogs. Talk about put it in there. Tells us about the filthy frog. And it got the points and the places where the fish this frog all at. But no sticker this month. I was kind of upset with the late delivery, man. I don't know what the heck was. Was it just they said it was? They already had sent the email out before the boxes were out, saying that it was gonna be late. But I thought, hey, a couple days late. We get our box already on the 10th, so I was figuring maybe 15th at the most. and it turned out to be all the way to the 21st. So I was very upset because it's like it's almost the next month. I'm almost about to get my next box. I'm about to pay for my next box. So I was kind of upset with that, and then the fact that it wasn't even in my mailbox on the 21st, so I was really upset. And then having to get it, it finally showed up on the 23rd. So I was kind of upset, but overall, guys, I am very happy with everything I got in the box. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you all like. What are the different baits that you like and dislike, and what you think about them? Did you get your box late this month? You know, what do you think about the baits? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. I really do like the feedback that I get from you guys, so I really do appreciate it. So with that being said, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and stay tuned. Also, guys, if you watch this, man, even if it's for like 2 seconds, just give it a like, and drop a comment. Doesn't matter what it is. Even if you click on it just to see what it's about for a couple seconds, if you gotta go, you know, pick up someone. If you just pop up on it, guys, just like it. I don't even care. Just like it. I really do appreciate it. Peace, man.